Upgrade St. Lucia, upgrade to 100% superfast 4G coverage.
The lead up to the introduction of a revised vehicle license regime has been rife with public outrage as well as heated political discourse. The United Workers' Party has demanded that the Labour administration rescind what the government deems is a much-needed revenue-generating measure.
We're saying to them, postpone the implementation of this new license structure. The same small business person that needs to at least know that he has an opportunity. You're taking away his last breath of air. And we will not stand by and allow this to happen.
The Transport Ministry issued several press statements in an attempt to sensitize the motorists on the changes. This week, officials explained that the amendments on the advice of the Finance Ministry are consistent with sub-regional guidelines and regulations. How does St. Lucia's rates compare with the rest of the OECS?
Ahead of the implementation of the new vehicle license fees, the Ministry of Finance, the government, sought to undertake research throughout the OECS to ensure that, one, that our rates will, for the most part, lower, but to also ensure that the new mechanism that we have used, where weight is the primary consideration to prescribe a fee to any particular vehicle, that is also consistent with what happens in other OECS and outside of the OECS regional countries as well.
According to the Transport Ministry, the St. Lucian motorist is paying less in vehicle license fees in contrast to the rest of the OECS. This table compares St. Lucia to some of the other territories, which in the case of heavy equipment, the rates are as high as 7,500 EC dollars in Barbados, as opposed to St. Lucia, where the maximum fee is 750 EC dollars. Grenada boasts the lowest rates for private cars, attracting a maximum fee of 290 EC dollars compared to St. Lucia's $350.
It is therefore clear that the government of St. Lucia, though exercising some increase in the fees, has obviously kept the fees relatively low when you compare us with other regional jurisdictions.
The new vehicle licensing fees, based on the engine weight categories, took effect on Wednesday, September 2nd. Rihani Isidore, HTS News Force.